Understanding the impact of seed oils on our health and skin is crucial, as these oils are prevalent in many everyday diets. Commonly found in processed foods, salad dressings and snacks, seed oils such as soybean, corn and canola oil are often marketed as healthy alternatives. However, their high omega-6 fatty acid content can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to accelerated aging and various health issues. This hidden ingredient, often overlooked, can significantly affect our skin's appearance and overall well-being. By recognizing the potential dangers of these oils, we can take proactive steps to protect our skin from premature aging. In this discussion, we will explore how to identify and reduce seed oil consumption in our diets, empowering viewers to make informed choices. By understanding the significance of these oils and their effects, we can better safeguard our skin and health, ensuring a more youthful appearance and vitality as we age. Seed oils are derived from the seeds of various plants and are commonly used in cooking and food production. Some of the most prevalent types of seed oils found in grocery stores include soybean oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, and corn oil. The extraction process for these oils typically involves industrial methods such as solvent extraction and refining. In solvent extraction, seeds are crushed and treated with chemical solvents like hexane to separate the oil from the solid material. This method is efficient but can leave behind trace chemicals. Following extraction, the oils undergo refining processes, which may include bleaching and deodorizing to improve appearance and shelf life. Unfortunately, these industrial methods can significantly diminish the nutritional value of the oils, stripping away beneficial compounds such as antioxidants and vitamins. As a result, while seed oils are often marketed as healthy options, the extraction and refining processes can compromise their overall health benefits, making it essential for consumers to be aware of what they are using in their kitchens. Seed oils are often considered unhealthy for several reasons, primarily rooted in economic factors and misconceptions about their health benefits. The widespread use of seed oils in food production is largely driven by their low cost and high yield, making them an attractive option for manufacturers. Many consumers mistakenly believe that seed oils are healthier alternatives to saturated fats, as they are often marketed as heart-healthy options. However, this perception overlooks the potential dangers associated with their consumption. Seed oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, can promote inflammation in the body. This inflammatory response is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, obesity, and chronic conditions. Additionally, the refining process these oils undergo can create harmful compounds that further exacerbate their negative health implications. As awareness grows about the adverse effects of seed oils, it becomes increasingly important for consumers to reconsider their dietary choices and seek healthier fat alternatives that support overall well-being. Seed oils can significantly contribute to skin aging through various mechanisms that compromise skin health. One major concern is that these oils can increase sensitivity to sun damage. The high omega-6 fatty acid content in seed oils can disrupt the balance of fatty acids in the skin, making it more susceptible to UV radiation and resulting in accelerated photoaging. Additionally, seed oils can lead to dehydrated skin and a loss of firmness. The refining process strips these oils of beneficial nutrients, which can hinder the skin's ability to retain moisture, leading to dryness and a lack of elasticity. This dehydration can manifest as fine lines and sagging skin, further emphasizing the aging process. Moreover, the consumption of seed oils can trigger a cycle of inflammation within the body. This inflammation can exacerbate skin conditions such as acne and rosacea, leading to redness and irritation. Over time, this chronic inflammation can damage collagen and elastin, essential proteins for maintaining youthful, resilient skin, ultimately accelerating the aging process. Reducing seed oil intake can significantly benefit your health and skin. and there are several actionable steps you can take. First, consider healthier cooking oil alternatives such as olive oil and avocado oil. Both are rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, making them excellent choices for sautéing, roasting, or dressing salads. Next, it's essential to check labels for hidden seed oils in packaged foods. Many processed items, including snacks, sauces, and dressings, often contain soybean, canola, or corn oil, so being vigilant can help you avoid these unhealthy options. Additionally, you can make simple dietary swaps to minimize seed oil consumption. For instance, replace store-bought salad dressings with homemade versions using olive oil and vinegar, or choose whole foods like nuts and seeds instead of processed snacks. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your intake of seed oils, promoting better health and supporting your skin's youthful appearance. Making these conscious choices empowers you to take control of your diet and overall well-being. Incorporating beneficial fats into your diet is essential for overall health and skin nourishment. One of the most important types of fats to include is omega-3 fatty acids, which are primarily found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These healthy fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and promoting skin elasticity, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Additionally, consider using antioxidant-rich fats like grass-fed ghee and coconut oil in your cooking. Grass-fed ghee is packed with vitamins A, D, E, and K, while coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides that can support skin hydration and overall health. Furthermore, encourage snacking on nuts and seeds, which are excellent sources of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are particularly beneficial for skin nourishment, providing essential fatty acids that help maintain moisture and elasticity. By adding these beneficial fats to your diet, you can enhance your skin's health and support your overall well-being, making a positive impact on your aging process. In summary, we've explored the dangers of seed oils and their detrimental effects on skin health, including increased sensitivity to sun damage, dehydration, and the promotion of inflammation. These oils, often found in processed foods, can accelerate the aging process and compromise our skin's vitality. It's crucial to make mindful dietary choices by opting for healthier alternatives like olive oil, avocado oil, and incorporating beneficial fats such as omega-3s from fish, grass-fed ghee, and nuts. By being aware of what we consume, we can significantly improve our skin health and overall well-being. We encourage you to take action by evaluating your diet and making small, impactful changes. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable content that empowers you to make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.